Comfy is available on the cloud now, and here's why that's a game changer.
So you are using ComfyUI locally, and you are using ComfyUI on a AWS, Runpod, or JavaScript. Uh, so to solving this problem, ComfyUI released its Comfy Cloud last month around 15th or 16th September. So now they are releasing its beta access to users. Today I got the beta users of ComfyUI Cloud. So we'll dive into ComfyUI and see how it is, how it's different from your locally ComfyUI, and how it's different from different, just like you are running on Pod or AWS clouds, how it's different from other things. So let's dive into directly ComfyUI Cloud. See my screen. Yeah. So I received this email last night that you are invited to config UI Cloud private beta features and so on and so on and so on. So they give you a button to access the Comfy UI Cloud, and they give us the documentation of Notion doc how you can access this Comfy UI Cloud, and so on and so on and so on. So let me first give you some things, what it is, how it's better than in general, and then we'll deep dive into ComfyUI dashboard, how it's cloud dashboard. It is different from some things and all. So so when you download ComfyUI locally, there are some problems. The problems are Python dependencies. You have to install the ComfyUI, and every time there's a new model came in, you have to download it and see the technicalities. This is the workflow and all, and or to run the ComfyUI locally, you need a powerful GPU. Suppose you have a A5000 installed on locally, but this model when 2.1 released, when 2.2 released, you can't run on your A5000 because these model are more way higher than the your GPU. So these are the some problems when you have installed a local GPU, and you want to buy a different GPU, you can't buy because it's way costly. It will cost you around $10,000 or something. To solve this, you have to either now use Runpod tools like Runpod, Jarvis Labs, or use AWS Cloud. So now ComfyUI thinks to solve this problem. They released ComfyUI Cloud last month, and last night I got the access. So what they are saying, you don't need to set up the setup requirements. So on ComfyUI Cloud, everything is set up. You don't need any powerful GPUs. GPUs are theirs, running locally. Where and then they can use and always up to date. You don't have to update. You don't have to update anything. So I was facing this problem. I was running ComfyUI on Runpod, and there's a new update for When 2.2. And whenever I'm trying to update the ComfyUI, I was not able to run the When 2.2. This is that problem that I was facing that time. Now so this problem you can't face, and this is professional performance. So everything is seamless. The workflows and the templates are set up in a way that it's helpful for you. And these are the some challenges that ComfyUI pattern dependency. You have to set up, figure out something why some files are not working. These are some Python dependency. You have to check the logs and all. If you are using computer, these are some problems. You are the dependency, the package conflicts that I told you. Suppose you have A5000, A6000, you can't use When 2.0, When 2.2, animate this hardware limitation and maintenance over that. You can't, suppose I was using a machine called Lenovo LOQ, and I can use it anywhere. This ComfyUI Cloud, you can even use on your phone. So this feature, I was amazed. You can use your ComfyUI Cloud on a phone. So how you can access? Let's deep dive in. You can log into cloud.comfyui.com if you got the access. So when you open the ComfyUI Cloud, this is how it's look like. The same ComfyUI dashboard. Here the on the top right, you are seeing this user setting. You can use setting logout and API pricing, and these top-ups are for API pricing. Now the question is, will they charge for this? Yes, obviously they will charge for this. Obviously they will charge for this. But as of now, for beta users, it's definitely completely free. For most of the for if they are they will release public access now, then there will be a I think a subscription based or credit based model, just like Runpod on AWS. So so this on a left panel, this ComfyUI, you can click on a new file, edit, view, themes, and all and all and all. When you click on settings, you can change the API nodes if you want the API nodes, or else if you are a developer, you want to use developer mode, you want to tweak some Python codes and all, you can do this here. Appearance, you can change the appearance here. Dark mode, I like this node. You can choose the GitHub mode, just like GitHub, how the GitHub looks. You can if you like light mode, you can also use the ComfyUI in a lighter mode. And but I like this node mode, so I use this node mode. And now let's deep dive directly into templates. So these are the pre-built templates, all the templates. So these templates are inbuilt with models. So you don't need to download models every time and upload via Hugging Face. So you don't need to do everything. You just need to click a single click on templates. Let's choose one Flux template. Flux tab. So the most favorite tool for ComfyUI open source free using Flux dev tool. So this is now this tool is now this workflow is loaded. You don't need to do downloading every model and all, clips and all. Every dependency, downloading clips, downloading models, downloading VAE, those dependency crosscut. Your productivity will increase from this Comfy Cloud. So this is it. So let's try to run some. Let's use the system prompt and let's try to run. Now the question is, yeah, this some bugs we are experiencing. So according to their document, you can all the bugs you are facing, you can click on feedback. This is for beta users, and tell them that this is the bug they are we are facing. So currently, when I clicked on run button, it's not running. So this is one bug I'm facing. So there are some bugs. There are some bugs that they need to fix, but after one or two update, I think it's a good to go tool, and it will cut down all the businesses that are running on GPUs for ComfyUI, just like Jarvis Labs is there, Runpod is there, and many tools like this. It will shut down, I think, but they need to fix some bugs, of course. And here you can run, and you can check the history also to see whatever you have created last week. There's a history tab here. You can check the history, you can check the queue here, whatever you have generated till now. So they have generated. So let's so you can generate, you can see how much time it will take. 46 seconds, 64 seconds for a Quine model or Hydri model. So this is generated in Quine model. This is generated in a Hydri model, 79 seconds. So this is how you can use it. But let me hard refresh this. So these are the some features. So people are saying why it's open source, why open source versus comfy cloud. It will take the privacy and all. So they are saying it will not take the privacy, of course, but they are releasing this comfy cloud to make some money. So the comfy always be free, and the open source comfy cloud and the cloud version always have a feature parity. So always have the feature. It's a feature, not they are not taking this open source and a free model. You can obviously run this locally, and ComfyUI Cloud is just a way to make revenue and sustain the ComfyUI development team, and they can make this more tool better. So they can't just rely freely. So if you understand, you can't run a business without revenue. So this is for them, and ComfyUI Cloud is for professionals who don't want to do a hassle. So you if suppose you are hassling with I use Nano Banana, or should I use Seed Dream? Should I use other fields. So this is a package of open source plus closed source. So there are some other tools just like PPK are giving, OpenArt are giving open source plus closed source models in a package. So this is a packaging kind of tool. If you are like node based image tools, so you can use this tool. uh, there are some limitations while using this. I was facing some limitations. Currently, I can't download the models and upload it directly. I was not able to upload my LoRa models here. So there are some features still not there. So they want to do these amendments or updates in next updates. Yeah, let's me try again. Try to run it. Yeah, now it's running. So it's waiting for machine executing workflow. And suppose if you want see the logs, so you can see the logs here, bottom panel, the image is generated. So you can see the logs here as well. So this image, let me try one more prompt, or let's try another model here. Uh, let's try coin image model. Uh, yeah, let's try to coin image edited model. Will upload this image. Wait. Oh, wait. So I have already downloaded one. I have already created one. Yes, let's try to create this. Change this. Yeah, so let's try to edit this image. Transform the subject image. I'm not using a proper guiding prompt, but you can always use proper guiding tools and all. And yeah, so transform the subject image into um, a sitting man. That's it's a simple prompt. Let's try. Let's check how much time it will take. So it's executing first. So it will take some time, but it will generate results very fast. It is around like your A6000 Pro image model. So it will generate things very fast according to the model you are using. Um, and yeah, it will generate images in seconds. So it's generated. You can always check the results in the queue. It is generating or not. So yeah, and we are using very less prompt and very small models. It will gonna give us the results, and you can click on this focus mode to focus on and focus on the nodes and all. So yeah, this model is not good with editing. Let's try another model which is very good with editing, which is your. Yeah, let's try to use this model. So here how you can use it, and you can use it multiple tabs, just like your ComfyUI locally or on board, just like you want. And it will slow down your GPU process, and it will gonna take some time. Yeah, so here you can use multiple models and multiple images, and you can test and try it, different things. You can use let's try one video model, text to video model, to see. Let's use the system prompt, and let's try how much it will take time. So it comes with pre-built workflows, pre-built models, but currently you cannot upload the models here. I was unable to find that in the settings, that you can upload your own models and LoRa models. here the model library you can see, but I was not able to found how you can upload. So these are all the models that are in this library that you can use. The 1.5, 3.5 HT models, and also you can check with safe tensors models. When all the models, these are the same segment models for editing. Test encoders, BA, these are the BA, when BA. So these are the models and library, but I was so to upload your LoRa and all, you have to. So it's you are seeing that it's very fast. It's we so it it generated the video, I think. Yeah, under 75 seconds generated the video. So yeah, you can see this video. Yeah, so in a minute or so, it will generate your images and video. So it's really fast, and in updates or when it's a beta user, so they not gonna use a full high-end GPUs, but once they release for publicly and open source publicly with a pricing with the pricing, I think you can use your pricing models. You can use your GPUs according to the pricing and all, and it will generate the things faster. So it will fix in the updates and all. Yeah. So this is the ComfyUI Cloud. Yeah. So this is ComfyUI Cloud. Next week I'm gonna currently, I'm shooting a ComfyUI from scratch to advanced. How you can use ComfyUI, what is the basics and all. So this is currently I'm shooting, and I drop a first video in next week by Wednesday, and the video will drop uh, bi-weekly or three videos in a week. So on an alternative day, and after 4 5 videos are dropped, or 5 videos, 6 videos are dropped, basically introduction or basic things are covered. I'm gonna do a live lecture on next Sunday. So next Sunday or so, let's see. We'll decide after the videos are dropped. So I'm creating. I'm heavily investing on this YouTube channel now. I was away from so long, so I was now the videos and the shorts are dropping soon. You so hit that subscribe button if you like the video. Like the video, press the like button and drop a comment. If you have any doubts, drop a comment. I'll try to answer your question. Thank you.